Conditional formatting allows us to highlight cells which meet certain criteria to make our spreadsheets more readable. Here, we've got a set of exam scores and we want to highlight who's passed and who's failed. A score of less than 60% is a fail. A score of 60 to 69 means they will need to resit, and a score of 70 or more is a pass. Let's first highlight those people that have failed. Using conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and then less than and enter 60%. Click OK. We can see that Tarek is the only person to fail the exam. Now, let's add an additional rule for those people that have passed the exam. This time, choose greater than and enter 70%. Let's also change the formatting to green fill with dark green text and click OK. Frank and Roberto have now been highlighted, but we are missing Kang, who has passed with a score of 70%. We need to edit the conditional formatting slightly. Go back to conditional formatting. Now go to Manage Rules. And choose the top rule and edit that rule. We need to change greater than to greater than or equal to and click OK. Now Kang has also been highlighted as passing the exam. A second way of highlighting who's done well is to use data bars. Click on Conditional Formatting and go to Data Bars. Here we can see Frank has done well and Tarek has not done so well. I might want to edit this rule so we can only get a full bar if somebody achieves 100%. Go to Conditional Formatting and Manage Rules again. Choose the rule we want to edit. And this time we want to set the minimum number to be 0 and the maximum number to be 100%. Click OK. You can see that Frank, who has 80%, doesn't have a full bar now. A third way of highlighting how well people have done is to use conditional formatting and colour scales. The scale in this case goes from red for the lowest score through yellow to bright green for the highest score. And again, we could go in and edit the rule using Managing Rules. And finally, we can use icons. We highlight the exam scores and go to Conditional Formatting and then choose Icons. The tick, exclamation mark and cross seem particularly appropriate for the exam scores.